Chapter 16, Water. Water is essential for all living beings. We need it for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and farming. Clean water keeps us healthy and supports life on earth. Good morning, children. Today, we are going to talk about something very precious: water. Water is life. Without water, we cannot live, nor can animals, birds, or plants. Why do we need water? We use water every single day for drinking, cooking, washing, cleaning, and farming. We get water from rivers, lakes, wells, bore wells, and rain. Even the water we use at home starts its journey from nature. Pollution of water. But sometimes this water gets polluted when people throw garbage, soap water, chemicals, or dirty waste into water bodies. That water becomes unclean and unsafe. This is called water pollution. There are two types of pollutants: visible, like plastic bags, bottles, wrappers, and invisible, harmful chemicals from factories that mix with the water. Polluted water makes people and animals sick. It also harms fish and plants in water. Disposal of wastewater. Let's think, where does the water waste go after you wash clothes or dishes? It goes into drains. Similarly, factories also throw out dirty water full of dangerous chemicals. If this waste is not cleaned and flows into rivers, it pollutes our water. That's why we must treat wastewater before releasing it into rivers or lakes. Purification of water. Water is cleaned in waterworks using different steps. Settling. Water is kept in a tank. Alum is added and the dirt settles at the bottom. Filtration. Water is passed through sand and coal to trap the dirt. Oxygenation. Air is mixed into the water. Chlorination. Chlorine is added to kill harmful germs. Only then does clean, safe water come to our taps. Try this. You can make a simple filter at home. Take a plastic bottle and fill it with layers of cloth, coal, fine sand, and coarse sand. Pour muddy water into it and see how it becomes clean. The water cycle. Let me tell you how water keeps moving in nature. This is called the water cycle. The sun heats up lakes, rivers, and oceans. This causes evaporation. Water vapor goes up and becomes clouds. This is called condensation. The clouds become heavy and we get rain. This is precipitation. Rainwater goes back to rivers and oceans, and the cycle repeats. This is how nature reuses and recycles water. Scarcity of water. Sometimes, when there is no rain, there is less water in wells and rivers. This leads to drought or even famine. In such cases, people are given water and food through relief centers and fodder camps. So we must never waste water, not even a single drop. Do you know? When factories throw untreated water into rivers, the amount of oxygen in the water drops. This causes the fish to die. Natural cleaning by rivers works only if pollution is low. What we have learnt? Water is very important for life. It must be kept clean and used wisely. Polluted water causes disease and death. We must treat waste. We must treat wastewater before releasing it into nature. Let's all save and protect water for ourselves and for our future generations.